ಓಂ ಗಂ ಮಹಾಗಣಾಧಿಪತಯೇ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ತ್ವಂ ಯೋಗ ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದ ವಿರಾಟ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಶ್ರೀ ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿ ಭಗವನ್. ಓಂ ತ್ವಂ ಆಗಚ್ಛ ಆಗಚ್ಛ ಪ್ರಸೀದ ಪ್ರಸೀದ ಪ್ರಯಚ್ಛ ಪ್ರಯಚ್ಛ ಪ್ರವೇಶಯ ಪ್ರವೇಶಯ. ಓಂ ತ್ವಂ ಸತ್ಯಂ. ಓಂ ತ್ವಂ ಸರ್ವಂ. ಓಂ ತ್ವಂ ಗಿರಿಜಾತ್ಮಜಂ. ಓಂ ತ್ವಂ ರುದ್ರಪುತ್ರಂ. ಓಂ ತ್ವಂ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಬುದ್ಧಿಪ್ರಿಯಂ ವದಂ. ಓಂ ತ್ವಂ ಮೂಲಾಧಾರಚಕ್ರಾಧಿಪತಿಂ. ಓಂ ತ್ವಂ ಅಕಾರ ಉಕಾರ ಮಕಾರ ಪ್ರಣವತತ್ವಜಗತ್ಮಹಾಪುರುಷಂ. ಓಂ ತ್ವಂ ಆತ್ಮಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ಕಾರಂ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದಂ. ಓಂ ಗಂ ನಮಃ ನಮಜ್ವಾಲತೇಜಸೇ ಆವಿರಾವಿರ್ಭವ ವಕ್ರತುಂಡ ಜ್ಞಾನಬೋಧಕಾಯ ವ್ಯಾಸಪ್ರಿಯಾಯ ಕರ್ಮಾಶಯಾನ್ ರಂದಯ ರಂದಯ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ರಯೋಗವಲ್ಲಭಚಕ್ರಾಯ ಸ್ವಾಹಾ. ಅಭಯಂ ಅಭಯಂ ಆತ್ಮನಿ ಭೂಯಿಷ್ಠಾಃ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀಂ ಹ್ರೀಂ ಕ್ಲೀಂ ಗ್ಲೌಂ ಗಂ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀಂ ಹ್ರೀಂ ಕ್ಲೀಂ ಗ್ಲೌಂ ಗಂ ಗಣಪತಯೇ ವರವರದ ಸರ್ವಜನಂ ಮೇ ವಚಮಾನಯ ಸ್ವಾಹಾ. ಕರ್ಪಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದಂ ನ ಮಮ. ಓಂ ನಮೋ ಧಾತಪತಯೇ ನಮೋ ಗಣಪತಯೇ ನಮಃ ಪ್ರಮದಪತಯೇ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಅಸ್ತು ಲಂಬೋದರಾಯ ಏಕದಂತಾಯ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಿನಿ ಶಿವಸುತಾಯ ಶ್ರೀ ವರದಮೂರ್ತಯೇ ನಮೋ ನಮಃ. ಗಣಾನಾನ್ ತ್ವಾ ಗಣಪತಿಗುಂ ಹವಾಮಹೇ ಕವಿಂ ಕವೀನಾಮುಪಮಶ್ರವಸ್ತಮಂ. ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠರಾಜಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣಾಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣಸ್ಪದ ಶೃಣ್ವನ್ನೋತಿಭಿಃ ಸೀದಸಾದನಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಹಾಗಣಾಧಿಪತಯೇ ನಮಃ. ಶುಕ್ಲಾಂಬರಧರಂ ವಿಷ್ಣುಂ ಶಶಿವರ್ಣಂ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜಂ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನವದನಂ ಛಾಯೇತ್ ಸರ್ವವಿಘ್ನೋಪಶಾಂತಯೇ. Ganesha is worshipped as the Adi Daivam in this universe. Not only in India, in several countries including Indonesia, even in some of the Muslim countries, everywhere, Ganesha is considered as the primordial source. Ganapati, the leader of leaders, Vinayak, Ganabhutalaki Adhipati. Ganabhutam means all creations having life. Suklam Bharadaram Vishnum. Vishnum is a beautiful word. Vishnu means Sarvavyapi, omnipotent, omnipresent. He is available everywhere. Karpaka Vinayakar temple is definitely a temple which everyone should see. In fact, in your spiritual coverage of temples, visiting of temples, if you don't visit Karpaka Vinayakar, which is called as Pilayarpatti in South India, in fact, your tourist urge is incomplete. Dating back to the 7th century, the idol is 6 feet in height. Ornaments adorn the Lord in a beautiful way. It is carved in a rock, and the entire temple, sanctum sanctorum, is inside a cave. Normally you see cave temples for Narsimha, but this is a very unique temple of Lord Vinayakar in a cave. It is maintained by Chettiars, who are Vaishyas. According to Sanatana Dharma, Vaishyas carried on trade. If you see the temple, the Lord has 2 hands, and the trunk is to the right. He is also called as Valamburi Vinayakar. Every day you have Abhishekam, you have fire worship, and everything done in a very methodical Hindu traditional way. Pilayarpatti bestows lot of wealth. We don't know the yantra that is installed underneath the deity. In fact, in a radius of 20 kilometers, all people are Karodapatis. That's why he is called as Swarnakarshana Ganapati. Swarnakarshana. You don't have any dearth of wealth. In Ganapati Mantra Shastram, he is called as Jeshtarajam. Jeshtarajam Brahmanam. We refer him like that. Jeshta means plenty. Whatever you want, he gives you in plenty. May Lord Ganesha give you a chance to visit this place and make your life wealthy. You should not be only rich in money, you should also be rich in heart. God bless you all.